Today is a very important day, my dear friends. My name is Tiger Santosh Nair, and it is World Mental Health Day. And on this day, I want to celebrate human beings by saying that don't complicate your life. Take it easy. It is not necessary that you have to do everything at the same time. Today we are seeing that Olympic champions and right from wrestlers to film stars to individuals are taking their life to an extreme level. I would request you to slow down. One of the major reasons for mental health is comparison with other people. Do not compare yourself. You are unique in yourself. You are beautiful in yourself. You can easily achieve everything. Don't jump any kind of a situation. It's like somebody is saying produce a child in less than 9 months time. If you try to do that in 4 months and 6 months time, what will happen is you will create deformities in that particular child. So it is very important. One of the most important thing is don't suffer alone. Always go and talk about it to a friend of yours, to a colleague. There is nothing wrong in feeling depressed. There is nothing wrong in feeling down. There is nothing wrong in feeling lost. There is nothing wrong in getting defeated. There is nothing wrong in being in a state of affairs where you are confused what is to be done. There is nothing wrong that you have pushed yourself to extreme physical and mental limits, and therefore you are suffering because of all those things. I would say, like look at Olympic champions like Simone Biles. Just before the Olympic of Tokyo, she pulled out. And she said, I'm going to work on the whole thing. Ben Stokes, one of cricket's biggest legends, has just taken time off, and he's saying that I'm going to take a 1 year off. Naomi Osaka, the very famous Wimbledon champion, she withdrew from the whole thing, and she's going to be focusing on her health. Similarly, a lot of people, have withdrawn. Deepika Padukone, for that matter, had mental health issues. It is normal, like we have a physical problem, like you have a fever, you have tuberculosis, you have malaria, you have COVID, you are out on the bed for 15 days, 20 days. It is like any other physical ailment. Why are we making mental issues such a big issue? If I can have a physical problem, I can have a mental problem, I can have an emotional problem, I can have a psychological problem. I am a human being. Now, this is also basically because you have a lot of expectations from yourself. Now, the body and the mind has a certain limitation, and when your expectation is far higher than the body's limit, then the body starts reacting. So anxiety, palpitation, depression, sense of giving up, suicidal tendencies, all these are normal. So my dear friends, I would only say, don't suffer alone. Some of them may find solace in children. You can find. Some of them may find solace in meditation. You can always do that. Some of them can find solace by doing some kind of physical activity. Some of you can find solace by being with your parents. Some of you may find solace by taking a break of 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, because you are more important than any of your achievements. You are more important than any of your achievements. So on this wonderful day, the 10th of October 2021, I, Tiger Santosh Nair, wish you a great life. Physically, mentally, emotionally, and psychologically, it is in our hands. Whenever we feel down, we need to take charge and we need to ask a question. Do we need a break? Do we need rest? Do we need to break off, cut off? There is no need to fight beyond a certain point and fight with your life. All the very best, my dear friends. I hope and I think that you will not suffer alone, and you will share it with either a professional, psychologist, psychiatrist, or whatever you might call it, or like we go, when I'm not well, I go to Dr. Jalgaonkar, or I go to Dr. Rai. Similarly, I go to some Dr. Shetty, who is a psychiatrist. I'm going to a doctor. I'm having a physical problem, I go there. I have a cut, I go to another place. I have diabetes, I go to another place. I have an eye problem, I go to an ophthalmologist. I have a khopdi problem, I go to a psychologist. As simple as that. So do not demean it. Do not make anybody feel small. And all the people who are around these people, they need to understand that this is normal. Don't make it a hawa, don't make it out to the world and make it feel as if life is going to come to an end. All the very best, my dear friends. Don't suffer alone. All the best. May you have mental peace, emotional stability, physical endurance and psychological well-being. All the best, Tiger Santosh Nair.